There you go. So let's now try to upload a listing. Okay, so to upload, you go to the dashboard and then you say add. Before uploading a listing, it's best that you prepare your text on Word so that you just keep on pasting. And it's best that you also prepare the zip code so that you don't have trouble of entering your zip code as soon as you're ready to upload a listing. Now, the key of the software is really on zip codes. It is best that you enter the zip codes. It's one search that you can search data that you can use when looking for properties. So this is the interface for uploading a listing. There are actually four steps. Number one is enter the basic details. Number two, enter the address. And you also have an option here not to show the exact address. Number three, you enter whatever features that you need to include. Number four, upload your images. Okay, so we go back to the details. And then your reference number is something that you want to enter details when you have your own referencing system. So in my case, I have my own referencing system. This is optional. This is not really required. Okay. And then I select whether it's what type of, what category of property that I want to enter. So in this case, I have already listing for residential. I select house and lot. Then if you notice, the fields here changed. It added more details. For the listing type, you select whether it's for sale or for rent. And then for the title, there are actually two titles here. So the number one, the first field is for generic details or generic title. So let's say house and lot for sale. So it's that simple. And then this is like your header. And then for the title page, you just be more specific. I put here the barangay name. Because these are the things that Google includes in its indexing. So it's best that you have the appropriate titles. Okay, we're done with that. So I enter my price. My price according to the details is I know it's 22 million. Okay, the lot area, it's in my details again. It's 279. Then floor area is 470. Uh, so I enter here 279. That's in square meters. But if it's a huge tract of land, you can say hectare or square kilometer. Okay, so the frontage length is there are actually two frontages here. So um, because it's a corner property, it's a corner house and lot. So I'll just put the value here 38. And then meters. For floor area, we saw earlier that it's the floor area of the house is 470 square meters. And then we have five bedrooms, and then we have seven bathrooms. And then you can park three cars. and it was built in 2015. Now, it's a corner house and lot, so it's facing southwest. Okay, so you can include this detail because many buyers would really ask for the orientation of the property. I'm done with the details here. So I now copy paste from my text details. Okay, and then I'll paste it here. Okay, so um, in fact, I think I want to change my title, put it on this box, the second title, because it's more specific. Okay, we're done now with the details. So it's very important for the description that you click save. It's saving this part. And then there's a finalize button here. Just try to finalize, even if you're not yet done. Okay, so we're done with the first part, the basic details. So for the address, of course, it's every all of the listings on the website is in the Philippines. So I now say the property is in Marikina City, and then the barangay is Malanday, and then the zip code I have it ready here. So and unless you want to open up a new tab and then you search for the zip code of Malanday Marikina, but now I know it's 1805. Okay. I have the option again, as I mentioned earlier, I have the option to show or not to show the address, right? So I can also indicate the street and the street number, but for now I won't do that because I want this listing to be discrete. Okay, so that's all for this portion, the step two, the address map. By the way, Google Map is not yet incorporated here. It will be a future feature. So click finalize, and then now we go to the next step, features. Features will, if you notice earlier, I showed you the features step, but it only showed us several check boxes. Um, and now it's more. So you just click accordingly. If there's a fence, click fence. If there's a basement, click security. It's a security of the subdivision. I just say subdivision. It's not a personal security thing. Uh, then let's say CCTV. Okay. And then let's say for furnish. Okay, this is one good feature of the software. Um, you can say okay, there should be options here whether it's fully furnished, semi, or not. Okay, but it's not. I think there those details must have been left out earlier, but we'll fix that later on. Now, for it's not actually gonna be furnished. So for the basketball court, if there's one in the village, then just click yes. Um, Swimming pool if there is, and gym or and nearby park. Okay, so those are the special features that will appear on your listing. Then click finalize again. So this is the third time we've clicked the finalize button. Then lastly, we can now upload the images, the files. Okay, so click the select files and then go look for, okay, I'm gonna look for the images here. Residential. It's in Marikina. And then it's here. Okay, I'll upload as much. I'll click everything, then click open. So it's slowly loading all the files. Now, while waiting for the upload, we know the location of this property. We know which barangay. So uh, it's best that we put titles and description onto the picture so that when somebody searches Malanday Marikina house and lot, uh, there's a strong probability that your listing will be seen on Google. But of course, on this website, RealDeals.Ph, there might be someone else listing a Marikina house and lot. So if it's specifically Malanday or Marikina included, then uh, your property, your listing may be part or included in the short listing for Malanday or for Marikina house and lot. So what I'll do here is I'll say Malanday, Marikina house and lot for sale. Then I just copy everything. Copy the text to all of the boxes available here. Copy and copy until I am able to do it for all the pictures. The pictures are not yet showing, but it's already uploaded. And then, okay. And then I say finalize. So let's see what happened. Okay, we're not seeing the images right now, but as a matter of fact, when we clicked finalize, it's already there. Then I go to the dashboard. Let's see what happens with this listing when we click right mouse click on sale. Let's see how the uploading looks like. I think this is the listing now. See, there are images being displayed. There you go. So there you go. There you go. So we have got all the images uploaded. And then you've got, oh, I made a mistake on the price. So it should be 22 million, not 2,200,000. Then I have the number of bedrooms, the number of bathrooms, TNB, and then this is the floor area of the house. Every now and then you'll see this being updated as soon as there are visitors to the website. So that's it.